How to fix Diablo Immortal keeps crashing. 1. Unplug all unused peripherals. 2. Launch the game in windowed mode. Enter W into Diablo Immortal game settings under Battle.net launcher. Note, enable additional command line arguments first. 3. Rename Diablo Immortal folder at /program files, x86, /battle.net. 4. Update your graphics driver. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Scan and repair game files via Battle.net launcher. 6. Disable Discord overlay.